Hi, today we're gonna make stir-fried crab with vermicelli. This dish is so mouth-watering. It has a rich umami taste, garlic flavor, and a smoky touch, which makes it a must-try. The crab that I use is called snow crab. The meat inside is so sweet and tender. First, rinse the crab thoroughly and clean the outside. Then separate it into several parts: legs, body, and claws. Use scissors to cut through the legs, so it's easier to handle when you eat it. The vermicelli is a good match with the crab, and my cat likes it very much too. First, soak the vermicelli in warm water. Use warm water can speed up the process. Just 30 minutes, it'll be ready to use. Since vermicelli are quite long, we need to cut them shorter. Then grab a garlic bulb, peel it, and finely mince it. Chop some scallions. Both the white and green parts are so aromatic. Prepare 2 slices of ginger. Cut it into stripes. Now heat up a wok and add some oil. Add ginger and garlic first. Keep stirring to bring out the aroma. When the garlic is a little bit golden but not burnt, add the crab. Stir fry to coat the crab with the garlic. Then add the scallion and the vermicelli. Continue to stir. Make sure every piece of crab meat, the garlic, and the vermicelli are well combined. Now add a splash of light soy sauce, a bit of water. Cover the wok and let it cook for 3 minutes. This step is to let the crab soak up all the flavors and soften the vermicelli. Since crab and soy sauce is pretty salty, there's no additional salt needed. After 3 minutes, give a thorough and final stir. Then it's ready to serve. The crab is so sweet and tender, and the vermicelli is full of flavor. This stir-fried crab is a really pure and indulgent treat. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.